Fontaine HVAC and Solar Energy Services Incorporated is a locally owned business that serves the Lewiston, Maine area with almost 30 years of experience. We pride ourselves on our quality work and our reliable and courteous service. We will take care of all of your heating, plumbing, and cooling needs. Our experts respond and give you the information you need to either fix your system or offer you a new energy-efficient heating or air conditioning system. When your home heating and cooling system needs to be upgraded or replaced, you can trust Fontaine HVAC to handle the job for you. Call today. Fontaine HVAC and Solar Energy Services Incorporated, 207-576-9723.